Bishopston Community Council set up this community bus many years ago to connect people from our village to Mumbles, where there are more shops, restaurants and other transport links. So some people will often get the community bus into Mumbles and then they'll get another bus into Swansea Town, for example. And the Community Council have looked in the past at ways to save money, or, you know, is the service, do we need to cancel it? And the council always agreed never to cancel it because it really connects the isolated in the village to a more busy environment in Mumbles. Our community bus runs twice a week, 4 services a day, which collects people from our village in Bishopston and takes them down into Mumbles. It's a community bus, so some of it is funded by the precept, but a lot of it is funded by the users of the bus. We recently got a new service called Danza, and since we've used Danza, it's a much cheaper and efficient service. Some months we actually make a little bit of profit, which gets invested back into the community.
We like the service, we like the people that get on the bus, we like the driver, and everything is, yes, we have a walk along the front, and it's handy to come down in the sunshine and sit on the front, and it's all very worthwhile.
Twice a week. I haven't got any other transport, so the bus is Swansea or anything, it's quite a walk, and I can't do that. So it's very, very useful. I go down for shopping and meet friends and things like that.
So it picks you up on the doorstep and gets you where you need to be?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
So without this service, would you be able to get out and about as much, or...?
Well, not as much, no. I admit I need no tax. This is very, very expensive. So, relatives, you know. So it's really, really...
And it gives you your independence?
Oh, yes.